Fennel-topped fish with aglio olio. You can make this with chicken breast or a piece of cod. Always look for sustainable seafood, of course, wherever you buy your seafood. About 6 to 8 ounces is what we want for the portion, whether you're using a chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast, or a piece of filet. So we have this beautiful bronzini, and I'm just gonna tuck it under. See this? I'm kind of making it into a thicker piece of fish by tucking in the 2 thinner portions. So we want to line the pan with some olive oil. Okay? We make this flaky, beautiful, shredded fennel. Do this right close to when you're ready to put the fish in the oven, okay? So you arrange your fish or your chicken breast.
That'll oxidize, right?
In the dish. It'll just start to not be itself in a few minutes. So we want to get this going. A little drizzle more of oil there and a drizzle of oil on your actual fennel. So the fennel is going to become the crust for this. Honey, grate some garlic into there for me. And we're gonna spice this up and give it a lot of color and depth of flavor with very earthy turmeric. Okay, you're too slow, move. So we're gonna sprinkle in a little fennel seed and or fennel pollen. Even though it is fennel, we're gonna really bump it up. And then we're gonna add color and an earthy flavor with turmeric. We're just adding a little ginger flavor to this. A little lemon zest.
Oh my God, it's gonna be flavorful.
You've had it before.
I know.
All right, so now we're gonna strip off a little bit of rosemary. Rosemary is very citrusy and it goes fabulous with lemon, as does thyme. Thyme would work in here too. Then we mound up this beautiful orange, it looks like toasted breadcrumb already. In the oven, really hot, 425, 450 even is fine. And you want to cook this very quickly. It'll be 14 to 18 minutes depending on if it's fish or the chicken breast. Now to get the pasta going, we're gonna serve it with aglio olio, which is garlic and oil pasta. So of course you need a lot of garlic, a whole bulb of garlic. We're going to put into about 1/3 cup per pound of pasta of good olive oil, and you're going to work over low heat. And we add the natural salt in the dish, anchovies. If you melt anchovies in oil, they taste like salted nuts, and they literally melt. Look at how they just break up if you tap them. It turns into a lovely, delicious mush.
It doesn't smell fishy at all. It smells...
It really doesn't. We use always vermouth when we cook seafood. It removes the aroma of seafood out of your house. Although, if your fish stinks, you shouldn't be eating it. Do you know what I mean? So, we put in a turn and a half, 2 turns of the pan of the vermouth, a spoonful of Calabrian chili paste, or a teaspoon of the red chili flake. So we're going to use about 1 pound of spaghetti, and these are half-pound packages. So we're gonna put in a couple of good fat handfuls of this beautiful eggy pasta. So when you pull your fish or chicken out of the oven, we're gonna squish over the juice of the lemon. The last minute of the cooking time, if you use this kooky land seaweed, the samphire, you drop it right in with the pasta, toss it around with the tongs. No, get in there, move it around.
I'm in there.
So we add a little of our starchy cooking liquid into the pan. Turn the stove off first, you're gonna set yourself on fire.
That would be good TV, though. Just care about the ratings.
Excuse me. Put it back in the hot pot. Yeah. And this one is the lawyer, please. Wow. All right, honey. I love you. Good thing you're handsome. Okay, there you go. Heads up, it's hot. We always drain pasta 1 minute before it's perfect because this is called carryover cooking. It's continuing to cook while we're standing here chatting and tossing the sauce with the pasta.
Oh, man.
There's the pasta. And normally we just finish with tons and tons of parsley.